The emergence of Pancharama Kshetras. After the birth of Kartikeya, sometime later, a battle ensued between Kartikeya and Tarkasura. During that 21-day battle, Kartikeya once used the mighty Pasuptastra on the demons. It incinerated all the demons it encountered. Some demons managed to escape and hide. The Pasuptastra does not harm those who flee. Even Tarkasura fled from the battlefield, fearing it. Having never faced such humiliation, Tarkasura was enraged. With no other option, he installed a Shiva Linga and worshipped it with great devotion and discipline. Pleased with Tarkasura's worship, Shiva appeared and said to him, "O Tarka, all the boons you received from Brahma are being fulfilled. Your death, as you wished, is imminent. The fruits of karma cannot be avoided. However, because you worshipped the Parthiva Linga, I grant you liberation." Then Tarkasura said to the great Shiva, "Lord, let it happen as per your will. I have enjoyed enough and experienced the worlds. But I have one small request, let this Shiva Linga hanging around my neck receive worship as long as I breathe. Even after my death, let it continue to receive worship." To this, Shiva replied, "So be it." One day, Kartikeya prayed to Brahma and other deities, saying, "I have used many weapons but have been unable to slay Tarkasura. Please guide me with a way." At that moment, sage Narad arrived and said, "O child, there is a Shiva Linga around Tarkasura's neck. It is very powerful. As long as it remains around his neck, he cannot die. Using the Agnyastra, break the Shiva Linga. It will fall to the ground and break into pieces. However, if it reunites and attaches back to Tarkasura's neck, he will remain invincible. Therefore, before it touches the ground, make arrangements for its consecration and build temples," advised Narad to Kartikeya. Following Narada's instructions, Kartikeya used the Agnyastra to break the Shiva Lingam. Before the pieces could fall to the ground, Surya Bhagwan consecrated them, and Vishwakarma built temple courtyards. These are known as the Pancharama Kshetras.